Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. I done kept it real from the jump.
Started from the bottom and we're here. Hey, what's going on, guys? Another episode of Knight's Training. That's just a little shout out to my boys back home. Just know I'm thinking about you guys. I ain't forgot about you. My whole crew fucking here. Hey, what's up going on, guys? It was a quick workout today. I'm going to talk real fast. You saw me start out with the 75s with the bench. And I know this video's a little shaky. I don't know what's wrong because the other clips are okay, but it's all right. You saw me start out with the 75s. I'm moving up, getting stronger, got it for 7 reps. And then I supersetted with the decline here. I have my friend Ben, he was working out with me today. He showed me that reverse grip real quick. I only did it with the bar and then did 75s again. Then we did tries, so it was chest and arms. We did tries, we did the reverse grip. So the reverse grip, make sure your elbows are tucked in. You can see me concentrating right here, go slow. And that girl, man, I'm not going to even call her a bitch because she was real apologetic. But, I mean, she stepped right in front. She saw the camera going. Come on, honey. Baby girl, you know better. You know better. She just wanted to get a closer glimpse of your boy. It's okay. Then we moved into overhead extensions. And I want to note, real quick for all the viewers, how serious my fucking face is. Ain't no reason. Why am I so serious? It was pretty good weight. I think I was doing 115 here. So after that, we jumped into biceps. So it was real quick. You'll see me do just regular curls, and then in a second, I'm gonna reverse grip it. This is a great way to burn out. Oh, I want to make a quick point. Also, with all the chest movements today, I did superset with push-ups. So I didn't get any video of that, but that's okay. Make sure to keep your elbows tucked in on this, guys. Don't flail out. Ended with 21s, so I did 2 things of chest, 2 things of tries, 2 things of bis. So 21s, you can see how close my elbows are. They don't move. Straight bicep. I only did it with 45. This is a great way to end it. Just use only the barbell. Don't put any weight. I mean, if you need heavier weight, I don't really need it. So some of you guys might, but I didn't really need it. All right, guys, this is it. This is what I did in the gym today. If you have any questions, leave them below. And always, when you're in the gym, don't do anything the good Lord wouldn't do.